How to boost your self-esteem and confidence. Our self-perception determines our level of confidence. It's an emotion. When we feel accomplished, supported, and look attractive, we are most likely to be confident. Being confident when you don't feel it is one of the hardest things to do. Thankfully, there are lots of things you can do to boost your self-esteem by improving the way you feel about yourself. These 10 easy tips will help you feel more confident. Taking care of oneself. First thing first, look for yourself. A strong sense of physical, emotional, and social well-being is necessary for self-confidence. If your body displeases you or if your energy levels are consistently low, it can be difficult to feel good about yourself. Set aside time to develop healthy eating, sleeping, and exercise routines. Additionally, wear clothing that makes you feel good. Taking care of your own needs can help you become more confident. Envision yourself. Second tip, see yourself as the person you want to be. We value our self-image far more than we frequently realize. Our mental image of ourselves influences our level of confidence. We have a negative, frequently erroneous self-perception when we suffer from low self-confidence. The process of visualizing a confident self-image in your own head is called visualization. Therefore, get into the habit of seeing your best self. Boost your posture. Third, straighten up your posture. Being and appearing confident is greatly influenced by one's posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back and chest out exudes confidence and may even make you feel more certain. Try to see yourself being pulled upright by a string that emerges from the top of your head. You'll feel more competent and confident as a result of this, as well as appear taller and wider. Step 4. Make yourself feel good. Make yourself feel good. We often act in ways that reflect how we see ourselves. Changing your self-perception is the key to creating a long-lasting shift. Positive and uplifting comments are known as affirmations, and we believe what we tell ourselves on a regular basis. For instance, when you look in the mirror, try saying something positive about yourself if there's something about your physical appearance that you don't like. Number 5. Make an effort. Make the work. Being self-assured when you don't think you'll succeed at something is difficult. Try to prepare yourself as much as you can to avoid that emotion. Regardless of the situation, public speaking, driving, or something else totally, you must be proficient in your abilities. You have to practice something before you can be confident in it. Nobody ever felt comfortable taking on a task for the first, 10th, or even 100th time. Rethink what fear and failure mean. Redefining fear and failure is number 6. Your self-confidence can drastically decline and you may be held back by your relationship with fear and failure. Your perspective on failure and fear needs to shift in order to help stop this from occurring. Try to view failure as an opportunity to learn important lessons about your areas of weakness and fear as a chance to advance. This turns fear and failure into motivators for advancement rather than excuses for inaction. Empower yourself with knowledge. Empower yourself with knowledge. Generally speaking, one of the finest ways to boost self-confidence is to empower yourself. Though there are many other methods to empower yourself, education is one of the best. Gaining more knowledge will boost your self-assurance. Because researching and studying help you gain more knowledge. You have access to books, publications, the internet, and courses for information retrieval. People in your immediate vicinity who have accomplished your desired goals can also teach you. Adopt an equality perspective. 8th. Adopt an equality perspective. Individuals who lack confidence perceive others as superior or more worthy than themselves. Reject this belief and consider yourself to be on par with everyone. They are no more worthy or superior to you. You will immediately notice an increase in confidence once you adopt an equality mentality. Embodied self-confidence. Embodied self-confidence. Number 9. Whether by accident or deliberate action, take a moment to reflect whenever you find yourself outside of your comfort zone. Shut your eyes and recall a moment when you exuded assurance and self-knowledge. Remind yourself of that time by using all your senses. You'll be better able to nurture that sensation in the here and now if you do this. Alternatively, imagine how a self-assured person would behave and act in that circumstance. You'll be astounded at how quickly you start to feel competent and confident. Grin. Number 10. Grin. Yes, I know you've heard this 1,000 times, but it genuinely works. We are social creatures after all, and we get our energy from social contact. In particular, constructive social engagement. It can boost our self-esteem, contentment, and happiness. Consider how your attitude improves when you receive a grin in return, or even just when you smile to yourself. Thus, the next time you're feeling insecure, try grinning. It will greatly improve your mood. In order to succeed and be happy in both your personal and professional life, confidence is essential. It influences nearly every action you take, including your thoughts, words, and even your appearance. You may start pursuing your life's goals and become confident in practically any circumstance by implementing the advice in this video. How do you feel? Are there any other strategies you know of to increase self-confidence? Tell us in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up and tell your friends about it if you liked it. It truly is beneficial to us. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos similar to this one. Don't forget to view our other videos. I appreciate you seeing.